roof, you can get a better view of the pool that's being built. It's a view of the landscape. That's the pool right there. Jacuzzi's over here with 40 jets. And then this is the shallow end. It's a big pool. 1/3 the size of the house.